Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start learning CCNA. First, familiarize yourself with the CCNA certification. It's a foundational step for many networking careers, opening doors to various roles. Next, dive into the official Cisco curriculum. This outlines all the topics you need to master for the exam. Finally, select a study approach that suits you best, whether it's self-study, online courses, or boot camps. This initial planning is crucial for a successful learning path. To truly grasp CCNA concepts, leverage key resources. Official Cisco Pressbooks offer comprehensive coverage, providing the foundational knowledge you'll need. Don't forget to use network simulators such as Cisco Packet Tracer. This tool allows you to build and troubleshoot virtual networks, applying theoretical knowledge in a practical setting. Additionally, connect with online forums and study groups. Sharing experiences and asking questions can significantly enhance your understanding and keep you motivated. Practical application is vital for CCNA success. Spend ample time configuring and troubleshooting routing protocols, such as OSPF, to understand how networks communicate. Implement switching concepts, including VLAN and spanning tree protocol, to manage network traffic efficiently. Crucially, dedicate significant effort to mastering IP addressing and subnetting. These are fundamental skills that will be tested extensively and are essential for any networking professional. Consistent practice builds confidence and competence. As you approach the CCNA exam, a structured review is essential. Go through all the official exam topics one last time, ensuring you're comfortable with each area. Taking multiple practice exams is incredibly beneficial. They help you pinpoint any remaining knowledge gaps and get accustomed to the exam format. Remember, consistent effort leads to success. Also, for more great deals on learning tools and other helpful resources, be sure to check out the description below for links. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.